If I told you that you only had 1 year left to live, what would you do differently? Would you still waste time on things that don't matter? Would you still hold grudges, scroll mindlessly, or put your dreams on hold? Here's the truth. Life is short, but most people realize it too late. Every second that passes is one you will never get back. So today, let's talk about how to master time, focus on what truly matters, and build a life you won't regret. Let's start now, because the clock is already ticking. The illusion of time. Do you remember how long summer vacations felt as a child? They seemed endless. But now, years fly by in a blink. This is because of the time perception paradox. When you experience something new, your brain captures every detail, making time feel slower. But when life becomes routine, your brain stops paying attention and time speeds up. Want to slow time down? Break your routine. Travel. Try new things. Be present. Stop living on autopilot. Embrace challenges. Growth makes time meaningful. The more you experience, the longer life will feel. Chapter 2. Mastering Priorities. We all have 24 hours a day, but some people achieve their dreams while others stay stuck. Why? Because of priorities. Your time is like a bank account. If you don't budget it wisely, you'll waste it. Ask yourself, is this worth my time? Will this matter a year from now? Is this bringing me closer to my goals or further away? The secret to success? Say no more often, because every yes to something meaningless is a no to something important. Chapter 3. People who matter at the end of life, nobody says, I wish I worked more. They say, I wish I spent more time with the people I love. But be careful, not everyone deserves your time. Spend time with people who lift you up, not drain you. Distance yourself from those who bring negativity and drama. Build relationships that add value, not stress. Because in the end, love and connection are what truly matter. Chapter 4. Career and Purpose. You will spend 1/3 of your life working. Imagine spending that time doing something you hate. Don't just chase money, chase purpose. Don't work just to survive, work to create impact. If you hate your job, start building an exit strategy. Because when you love what you do, work doesn't feel like work. Chapter 5. Health, the foundation of time. You can have all the time in the world, but if you don't have the health to enjoy it, what's the point? Sleep well, move your body, eat food that fuels you, not just fills you. Because when you neglect your health, you're borrowing time from your future. Chapter 6. Never stop learning. The moment you stop learning, your mind starts aging. Read something new every day. Stay curious. Surround yourself with people who challenge your thinking. A life filled with learning and growth is a life that never feels wasted. Chapter 7. Emotional Intelligence. Not everything deserves your reaction. Anger steals time. Overthinking drains energy. Stress shortens life. The most powerful people, they control their emotions instead of letting emotions control them. Chapter 8. Financial Wisdom. Time and money are the same. If you waste them, they're gone forever. If you invest them wisely, they grow. Manage money well so you can buy back your time instead of being stuck in survival mode. Chapter 9. Creativity and Passion. Routine kills time. Creativity brings it back to life. Make time for hobbies. Create something that lasts. Do what makes your soul feel alive. Because life isn't just about surviving. It's about expressing yourself. Chapter 10. Protecting your energy. Your time is only as valuable as your energy. Start your morning strong. Cut off negativity. Protect your mental and physical health. An energetic person can achieve more in a day than a tired person can in a week. Chapter 11. Social Capital. Your environment shapes your future. Surround yourself with ambitious, supportive people. Build strong connections. Help others, because success is never a solo journey. Your network determines your net worth. Chapter 12. Life Design. Here's the truth. Life is short. Don't waste it on things that don't matter. Don't let distractions steal your dreams. Don't let time slip away unnoticed. Live every second intentionally. And remember, make every moment count.